Hello everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to motion blur in CapCut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Just add the video to the timeline. Now go to Effects and type Motion Blur and add this effect to the video. Now just play with these two settings, horizontal and strength. Let's do horizontal 30 and strength 50 and see how it looks.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
You can also go higher between 70 and 90. Now let's say you want to add motion blur in the background. For that first change the ratio of the video to 9:16. Then delete the effect from the video. Also, duplicate this video by doing Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Now select the first video and increase the size to fit the screen. Then go to Effects and add the motion blur to the first video that we have increased the size. Again, you can also play with the settings. Let's play the video. That's how you can add motion blur in CapCut PC. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to know how to add blur in the background on CapCut, then watch this video.